Right. So here's what we ended up with. Okay. 76 model crew cab. Zoom out a little bit so I see what's going on here. Prime condition. Probably just needs a fuel pump.
Good butt job.
Pick this one up for the bed. Museum quality, of course. It's a 4x4 4x4. Probably maybe Rainwind Park. Got a nice little 8-inch tree through it. So check that out. That is a actually mint condition dash. Cluster and random parts storage. How can you tell?
It doesn't have the hose for the little one.
Between these two, we got enough to build off of, I'd say.
Yeah.
Should be a good time loading them up anyways.